What's up? Ah! Freezing!
How cold is it?
Ah! Ah! First thing I say about this. Come on, please. We can fit. Alright. Oh damn. Oh damn. Get back in. It burns. Get back in here. Louie, you want to come in?
No. Don't get my dogs in.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Shelter. My legs are burning. Turn on the heat. I'll get you. No. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh fuck.
You forgot towels.
It's so warm now. No, give me towels. This literally feels good. It's warm. I know. The outside made warm time. Dude, it stopped raining. I'm so warm. We tamed the beast and now the beast stopped raining.